Recently, I did a little unboxing and test of this guy. This is the Sony ECM-CG60. So I'm just going to get right to the point and say that I'm returning this microphone. Luckily, Amazon has their really good return system. Anyway, based on the tests that I've done with this microphone, it honestly just fails in comparison to even the Rode Video Mic Go, which is the microphone that I've been using for the past 3 or 4 years. Here's the quick little test I did from the unboxing video. Testing, this is what it sounds like when I'm talking with the ECM-CG60. So overall, the audio coming from this microphone is very dry sounding, and the main issue that I found was that there's that hissing in the background. That's one thing that just really grinds my gears. I hate whenever I'm using a microphone and there's hissing in the background, and I've tried everything to negate that hissing sound. I moved pretty much all around my house to try to find like a good condition for recording audio. I tried putting batteries in this. I tried using the low cut filter, but there was still that hissing sound, so I kind of figured it's just a lost cause at this point. So anyway, those are my thoughts about the Sony ECM-CG60. I'm really sad that this didn't work out for me, but I guess for now I'm just gonna stick with my Rode Video Mic Go. Let me know in the comments if you guys know any good microphones. I like to stick to like on-camera microphones rather than external microphones. But anyway, thank you guys for watching this video, and I will talk to you again soon. Bye!